Hi everyone, it is giveaway time. Yes, this is an extra giveaway this week, and it's just to say thank you to you all because I reached the 3,000 subscriber mark. I am, oh my gosh, you know, so in awe at you all, and thank you all so much for watching, for the support that you've given me, for the messages, everything. So this is my 3,000 subscriber giveaway, and lots and lots and lots of super goodies here to give away. So let me show you what's in the giveaway, and then at the end of the video I'll tell you how you can stand a chance to win these. Okay, so let me move all of this to one side and let me show you. So if you've been watching my videos, you would have seen my washi tape haul the other day. So I have included a pack of 6 rolls of washi tape, and not Charlie, you can't have him because I need him. So there are 6 rolls of washi tape. Let me just move him. Oh my gosh, now you're going to wreck the place again. He already sabotaged my video the other day. So, right, 6 rolls of washi tape. I probably will take them out of this container though, so that they're more flat for postage cost reasons. So there's those 6 rolls of washi tape. I have also included some lovely ribbons. This is really, really gorgeous. You know, there are just bits and pieces here that you can, you know, create with. There's that ribbon there. I've also included some vintage, like crochet trim. This is quite old, this one here. So there's a piece of that and a little piece of that. Those are vintage, they're not new. And then I have this lovely big wide piece of lace. Be great for a journal, tags. Oh, I mean, you can use it for whatever you want. Obviously, I'm not telling you how to use your craft items. And then we have some applique, little crochet flowers here. So there's a big one and 4 little ones of those. 2 of these are old vintage flowers. Then I have these. Oh, let me just get all the fabricy things first. Oh, there are 4 of these beautiful satin and pearl flowers. Love those. They're one of my favourites. And Charles, you're not giving up, are you? 2 of these lovely glittery, shiny pearl flowers. 2 lovely butterflies, like crochet sparkly butterflies. And then we have, let's go through, some ribbons. We have all, this is a, I do not know, 3.5 meters of this lovely blue linen ribbon. It's actually really, really lovely. It's quite sheer, and you are being a pain. Come on. So we've got 3.5 meters of this, and it is actually really, really lovely ribbon. And then I've put some really fun little cords in there, some nice thin green ribbon, and a lovely navy blue grosgrain ribbon there. So we have those. I'm gonna have to try and remember not to. Right, okay, now handmade things. I have put some in here for you. So this is a collage piece of making your own sort of craft paper from old letters and book pages, and I actually made it into a little booklet for you so that you could pop it into your journal. I have this made from wallpaper, vintage stamps, and Tim Holtz paper dolls, and that's Tim Holtz, I think. And then you've got some lovely lace trim and that there. So that's a pocket that would go a tuck spot or a pocket, or a large tag to put in one of your journals. Be great for a wedding one, wouldn't it? And then this is a little book page pocket that has a pocket there and a pocket there, and it has some little ribbon on there. This is a coffee dyed just flip out that has been punched on the edge there. So these are fun things for journals. Then I have a little booklet which is made from old book pages, coffee dyed paper, and some scraps. I've left this with nothing on the front so that you can decorate it how you want to. Then I have a bag of vintage stamps. These are always fun for your projects. So look, I don't know how many's here, but you know, you've got some really old French stamps. I think these are mostly French old vintage stamps here, and there's some really old ones here, 1900 and I think 11, something like that. I saw on some of them. So these are quite old, and there's quite a few there. Vintage stamps I just love. I just love to put them on all of my projects. So we have a bag of those. Some little tags that you can decorate yourself. These are clocking in cards, which are great to distress. And I mean, they're a bit shiny on one side, but I'm sure if you put not Mod Podge, gesso on the other side. These sides are not glossy, but they'll just be fun to decorate, make into large tags for your journals. I have a little collection of bags here. So we have some glassine bags and some decorative paper bags, which you can have some fun with. Those napkins that I showed the other day, this is a selection of napkins. I was showing my AliExpress napkins, and I've put one of each in there for you. Look at these, so gorgeous. So if you want to do some napkins, and actually what I will do, I received another pack the other day in the post, so I will pop one of those in there as well. These came after I'd done my napkin review, but look how pretty that is. Look how gorgeous that is. Look, pretty. So there's those napkins there. We also have a selection of old cards. Oops, they're not all old, but a selection of cards. These are vintage. I do not know from when, but these are really old. If you'd have watched one of my previous videos, there are some children's cards. Just a collection of cards here that you can have fun with altering for your you know, your junk journals. And then last but not least, we have, let me just put all that there, this lovely, have I got a piece of paper? This lovely stamp set, and it is French vintage, like adverts for chocolate. I don't know, it says eczema. I don't know if it is for eczema. Don't think so. I think that's, I don't know. It's not eczema, is it? No, it's just French adverts, pianos, Grand Prix, nice little umbrellas. This is a lovely vintage stamp set. So these are the goodies that are up for grabs for my 3,000 subscriber giveaway. And all you have, oh no, I've missed some things out. Silly me. Wait. There's more. There's more. I've also included 4 of these large corners to go on your journals, your altered books. So there's 4 large of those, and there are, oh come on, very fiddly to pick up, I might add, 4 of these little small ones, the little gold ones. So you've also got those as well. So there's just a little fun selection of goodies to put in your junk journals. And I've just seen something else I can add in for you. This is one of the Tim Holtz dies. and you make like a little pocket. So you just would distress that up and then decorate that, maybe put a word on it, and then you have a little, I don't know if I've got one to show you. I don't think I have. I might show you one in another video, but I'll put one of those in as well, trying to put as many things as I can in your... Oh, look, there's a ticket I made. Do you want one of those as well? Look, there's one of those tickets. Hang on. I made these the other day. I was so proud. Look, with my the ticket booth stamp set. I'm going to put those in as well. And what else do we have? Oh, some tags that I made. Let's put a couple of those in. I'm going mad now, aren't I? I'm going bonkers. Oh, there's a lovely glittery linen tag. Right, I think I've got to leave it at that. Otherwise, my postage is going to be horrendous. Oh, no, we've seen too little of those as well. Look, that's it. I'm stopping now. This is what you're going to get before I add anything more into it. And all you have to do is be a subscriber. Like and subscribe is what we always say. Please be a subscriber. Leave a comment in the description, in the comments below. And then this is going to run for a week or just over a week. And will end on Sunday, the 10th of February. And I will use the random picker from YouTube picker thingy to pick a winner on Monday the 11th. So I hope you've got that. Just be a subscriber, comment below, tell me a little bit about yourself, and then good luck. That's all I can say. And thank you all so much for your support, for your kind words, for being with me on this journey. And you know, a lot of you know that it hasn't always been easy. I love YouTube, and I would be here more if I could. My reasons for not being here more is not due to anything to do with YouTube. It's just my silly body not working all the time. But thank you to everyone who has stayed with me through my journey, and for my newbies as well. And thank you for watching, and good luck with the giveaway. See you all very soon. Take care. Bye-bye.